Hello everyone, good evening. Myself, today I'm going to talk about the genetic imprinting. So we know in any individual we got two genes. One is from male and one is from female. And any chromosome is made up of two two parts. Basically, it is like this. So any feature in the individual depends on the genes which we get from first uh, first uh, first chromosome, and we got from the second chromosome. So uh, in the genetic imprinting, what happens? Generally, only one copy of the gene will work, and the another copy will not work. So this is the genetic imprinting. Basically, what happens like whenever zygote is formed inside a mother's womb, so only one gene we will get from father, and one gene we will get from mother. So in these both of the genes, only one gene will act. So basically, the father gene will act. Father gene will act. Um, why male gene will act? So there are there are many reasons why means people says why the male gene will act, but the female genes will not act that much because male genes is somewhat dominated than than the female gene because female is more responsible for the caring of for the caring of the children while the male gene is responsible for giving the characteristic. So why this imprinting is required? So there are three theories. One is the conflict theory. In the conflict theory, which is given by Haig and Westowy, in this theory, it has been told that mother gene is generally growth limiting. It generally limit the growth of the individual, while the father gene is generally growth promoting. So to promote the growth, generally father gene is more useful. So in that case, father gene is more preferred over the mother gene. And basically, the maternal gene will be inactivated and the paternal gene will show its inheritance. Second is the prevention of parthenogenesis, which has been given by Murray. So in this so first of all, we have to understand what is parthenogenetic. So parthenogenetic is like uh, like uh, uh, like it can be possible that there is only one egg, and in the one egg we have 23 chromosomes, and to forms a new baby or new zygote we need 23 chromosomes more, and these 23 chromosome we will get from father's sperm. So it can be possible that the egg will uh, two egg will um, merge with each other, and two egg can get the 46 chromosome. But why this type of thing is will not happen? Because first of all, this is the parthenogenesis. Suppose if the two egg so suppose only uh, from the one egg only two egg got combined, and after the combination of the two egg, a zygote is formed. So that's why it has been said that for the reproduction, for the final reproduction, uh, one means one set always required from the father, and one set is always required from the mother. Then only a child can be formed. So it is basically necessary and essential to have the both the sides. That's why genetic imprinting is there. So two for the prevention of parthenogenesis. Third theory is ovarian time bomb hypothesis. So this theory said that ovary basically it has some type of time bomb which is already fitted in the ovary, and when it merged with the father's sperm, that time bomb it got deactivated after merging with the genes of the father. So this is the third hypothesis why genetic imprinting is there. It suppress the ovary time off, and basically the zygote can be formed. Uh, then last is the uniparental disomy. So according to this uniparental disomy, that both the genes can be inherited from some parents sometimes. No, that both the genes can be inherited, but sometimes it is fine. But sometimes it can lead to many syndromes. One is the Angelman syndrome, and second is the Prader-Willi syndrome. So in the Angelman syndrome, what happens? Only we have two chromosome only mother. This is from mother, and this chromosome is from father. So what happens in this? This happens in the chromosome number 15. In this mother, some part will be deleted in the mother chromosome, and but the father part is silent. So in this type of disease, the symptoms are epilepsy, tremors, perpetually smiling face, and second is the Prader-Willi syndrome. In a Prader-Willi syndrome, we have two chromosome. One is from mother and one is from father. This mother one is the silent, but in the father chromosome, the gene will be get deleted at some part of the gene. At some part in the chromosome, the gene will be get deleted. This disorder can happen in this type of syndrome. So its symptom is excessive sleeping, obesity, weak muscles, and infertility.